Are you guys able to hear me or are able to see the screen which I'm sharing? Please confirm.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, then fine. Today we are going to see a few models. Yesterday we already discussed about the software development lifecycle, right? So today we are going to see a few things regarding what are the different types of models available and what are the majorly used in the present market and what models used in the past market, okay, previous market. Okay, we are going to discuss those things today. Yesterday I said that it's a fast track course. Every day I'm going to take 2 hours from the Monday. It will be completed in the 15 days, right? Are you guys are okay if I take the fast track every day 2 hours? Are you guys are comfortable if I take every day 1 hour, like one month of course? Which one is preferred by you guys? Please speak out. Bharati, Ganesh, Karthik, Madhu, Rupesh, Uday.
Almi, can you take 1 hour per day?
Okay, what about others? I need all your feedbacks. Based on your feedbacks, I will continue it. Okay.
Yes, from my side also, daily 1 hour is fine.
Okay.
1 hour
And
should be.
just ping in the chat. By that, I know how many people are looking for a 1 hour. Okay. Of course, the 1 hour is good time because if we take 2 hours, it may be struggle to you guys to listen entire 2 hours class is very difficult. I know. That's why I'm asking. I thought that, and I am asking you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay. Good, good. Most of the people are looking for the 1 hour class, right? So actually, yesterday I said that it will be complete. The course will be completed in the 15 days if I take 2 hours, right? So now if I take the 1 hour, it will be completed in the 30 days. Okay. If there is possibility, I will take the classes on weekends. Are you fine if I take the classes on weekends? Saturday and Sunday. Initially, not I won't talk initially. For example, the course is started from Monday. First 1 week or 2 weeks, I won't take on weekends. Okay, after the completion of 2 weeks of course, whenever the automation is started, then I will take the classes on weekends, maybe Saturday and Sunday, like 7 to 9 p.m. night or else morning 10 to 12. The time based on your feedback only, I will take the classes. Okay. Just now I take the feedback from you, right? You guys are okay with that 1 hour of class every day. Like that, once you guys are confirmed, once the manual testing course is completed, coming to the automation course, I will think of it and I will take all your feedback and then I will keep the classes on weekends. Okay, don't worry, guys. If you are comfortable, then only I will keep the classes on the weekend. Okay, clear? Have any doubt on the class timings and all these things? The weekend timings will be discussed later, but week timings will be we are having two options: 6 to 7 slot or else 7 to 8 slot. Which slot you are going to join very easily? You can pin the chart. We are having two options. The first one is 6 to 7 slot and 7 to 8 slot. Which period is comfortable to all you guys? Pin that slot also in the chat box. 6 to 7, 6 to 7, 6 to 7. Okay, all you guys are comfortable with 6 to 7? 7 to 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, most of the guys have preferred 6 to 7 class. Okay, so then we can go with the 6 to 7 a.m. slot. Okay, so why I'm taking the feedback, for example, if 10 people are there, out of 10 people, 8 people given the 6 to 7, 2 people given 7 to 8. So I will go with the major priority. Okay, So of course that 20% decision is also important, but then I will go with the major priority. Okay, we can take the classes on 6 to 7. Monday to Friday we are having the classes. First 2 weeks we don't have classes on the 1 minute. Just take 5 minutes and later we can go to the content. Because it is very important. We should have clarity on which time and how many classes we are available, right? Total 35 classes will be there. Total 35 classes will be there. Out of 35, mostly 7 classes will be manual testing. Okay. How many classes remaining? 28 classes are there, right? 28 classes will be automation testing. Sorry, not 38. 28 classes. 28 classes will be automation testing. And okay, first 2 weeks we don't have weekend classes. Okay, but what is the weekdays timings for the class? 6 to 7 a.m. Okay, this is the overview about the class timings and how many days of the class will be there. Okay, so and second one is what you are going to learn in a manual testing with real-time project. Automation testing with real-time practices is nothing but you are going to write the code for the websites to automate. Let us take an example of Gmail. For the Gmail login, what we need to do, we need to give the mail, we need to give the password manually, right? So if you do the automation testing, if you write the script for that, then it will be automatically executed. Okay, I will train you guys to how to write the code by your own. Okay, clear what I'm telling? Clear?
Yes, sir.
I already shared the syllabus yesterday, and I hope today I will share the syllabus sheet again with you guys. I will share with your respective members. They will share you that syllabus. But I already shared that syllabus in the recording session. Even though if I'm not shared that syllabus sheet, you can go through the recording video of yesterday's and you can see the syllabus, what you are going to learn in the automation and manual concepts. Okay, but I'm clearly telling that you will get the very good notes. Here you can see, for example, we are going to see this project. I will share all these documents. You are going to learn Jira in the manual testing. I will going to share this Jira documents, and I'm going to share the test trial document. And later we are going to say interview questions and resume preparation. Which type of interview resumes are there? Test cases for interview. In manual testing, they will ask write the test cases for ATM machine. At that time, how can you write? You have to analyze the test cases, right? And that the thing which you are going to learn now the day. Actually, I plan to explain the models, uh, but I'm planning to show this one test cases for interview how it was. Okay, because the models will be explained on the class. Here you can see. This is the notes. This is the notes of manual testing. You will get like this every day. Every day heading will be there, and the today topics. What are the topics we are going to learn today? The topic and the topic content. Okay, these are the things we are going to see. every day. Okay. For example, just I said that we are going to learn software testing models, right? Okay. What is the software development life cycle? Can anyone tell? Yesterday we already discussed it, right? Navluri. Okay, didn't get yesterday recording class. Okay, you are from which institute?
Sir?
You are from which institute?
Harsha, sir.
Okay, you joined today or else you joined yesterday also?
Yesterday also, sir.
Okay, I think they shared that thing. Okay, I will tell them again to share you. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. And what is software development life cycle?
Ram, sorry to interrupt you. This material will you give, which you are showing on the screen?
Yes, yes, sure. I will give this
Okay.
material. I will give, and for the automation testing also, we are having a lot of materials, which helps a lot at the time of the interviews also. Very good, very good. Yes, this is the automation class, right? These are the project files. Sorry, the project files are not available here. Another folder, those are available. Materials are available here. Total 14 sessions we are going to learn all these 14 sections and the Cucumber Selenium project and the core Java C, the basic things of the Java. Of course, I will explain everything in clarity, but if you want to know the Java, you need some basic things, right? Why we are using Java? We are having C, C++, Python, Java, C Sharp, so many languages are there. But why we are using this OOPS Java? Okay, these are the OOPS concept. At the time of interview, they will ask. So it is the handy sheet. Okay, take print of this and you can carry it to anywhere because I made material like that only. Take these type of things in the handy, and whenever you are having the interview, simply you can practice it before. Okay. And now Yuri, you are asking one about what was selenium testing and automation testing, both are same or different? Okay, actually selenium testing is nothing but automation testing now, Yuri. Okay, so total we are having two types of testing, mainly manual testing and automation testing. In automation testing we are having different types of tools to do the automation. The selenium is of the one is one of the tool. We are having other tools, cypress, we are other another tool, webdriver io. We are having different types of tools are available in the market. But why I am teaching selenium in this course, the 90% of the software companies are using the selenium with Java to do the automation. That's the reason why I choose the Selenium Java to teach you. Clear?
So, I want to join manual plus selenium testing. Is this class suitable for me?
Yes, that's what I explained, that this course belongs to manual plus automation course, right?
Okay.
I just only explained about the total 35 classes are there. 7 classes for the manual testing, 28
No, no.
classes for
The
the
thing is, I want to clarify that here you are writing automation testing. I want to learn selenium testing. Both are terminology same or different. That's
That's
it.
what I said just now, right?
Yeah,
Selenium
yeah.
is also Selenium is one of the tool in the automation testing.
Okay.
Are you getting
Okay.
my point?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hyderabad is a part of Telangana. Hyderabad is not only a Telangana, right? Clear what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
Like that, Selenium is a one of the tool in automation. Is not only automation.
Okay.
I hope you clear.
Yes, sir. Can you explain the real-time project for Selenium testing also, or for only manual testing only?
Selenium also, that's what I said, right? How to
Okay.
write the script. For example, now the 8 to 9 batch is running. Now almost 3 classes is completed for the automation testing. Okay, we are using the Eclipse IDE to write the Selenium script. Okay,
Okay.
almost recently in the August only 2 months is 2 batches is completed. This is the third batch running for the automation. Your batch will be fourth batch for this July and August within 2 months. Wait a minute, it's running. It's better if I take the session to clarify all your doubts, right?
Yes, sir.
Any other one have any doubt regarding the course? These are the framework and the scripts which we have written for the automation practices. Keyword driven framework, all these are utilities. You are having all these other codes. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay. In this tool, I'm going to explain how to install this tool and how to install the Selenium charts and all these things in the Eclipse and how to automate the code. All these things will be explained clearly. For example, again, I will open this Eclipse. Guys, meanwhile, this application is loading. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. The clarification is very important. Okay. Without asking the doubts, I don't know what you are looking for from this course, right? For Navluri, what you are looking, you will get it from this course.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about others? Bharati, Ganesh, Karthik, Madhu, Raghu, Rupesh, Uday, Ramesh. No one has doubts.
Sir, actually, how we are learning? Like Java is in the basic what we are learning here, or in the advanced way we are learning, like writing the scripts or something.
Here, for that question, the answer is the things which is required to automate the application, the things which is required for the automation testing, you can learn in this.
Okay.
Okay, all the not only Java, what are the requirements, prerequisites is required for the to do the automation. Okay, here I shared the syllabus where it was automation classes syllabus. In that you can see what are the topics you are going to. Sorry, who is that? Swapna is asking that please send your WhatsApp number. Okay, so actually I won't share any WhatsApp numbers. If you guys are confirmed, then your institute people will create a WhatsApp group. In that, I will be there. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in that group. Okay. Don't ask me that. Please send your WhatsApp number, contact number. Okay. So if you are okay to join this course, your institute will people will confirm you guys, and then your institute people will create a WhatsApp group. In that, they will add me. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in that. I think someone asked about the Java. Who is that?
Yes, it's me, Karthik.
Who is that?
Karthik.
Okay. These are the things you are going to learn, Karthik. You will see what is the Java introduction, what is the comments in Java, data types, variables, objects and class, operators, Java strings, arrays, for loop, while loop, do while loop, break statement, continue statement, if else, switch methods, wrapper class, and all these things you can see here. Okay, here inheritance, method overloading, overriding, abstraction, all these things are OOPS concepts. Okay, mainly out of 100%, 99.9% the questions will get from these in interview. In such a way, I prepared a syllabus.
Yeah, okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
And I think the session was very interactive. So many people is having so many doubts. I think one more person is asking that people need RPA training. But then why you are learning?
TestNG is a tool in automation, sir.
It's a framework.
TestNG.
Yes, it's a framework. What
Okay,
we
okay,
can
one
see,
second.
I will open one notepad.
Okay.
Okay. First, we are having the automation. We are talking about the automation, right? In that automation, we are having the hierarchy tools. In the tools, again, we are having the framework. Yeah, tools. These tools may be Selenium or WebDriver or what else? What else? Cypress. These are the tools, and frameworks are nothing but TestNG or Cucumber BDD. These are the frameworks. And to automate these things, we need one programming language, right? We are having different language, Java or Python or C Sharp or JavaScript. Okay. But what we are going to learn in this course, tool is Selenium, framework is TestNG, Cucumber. Both we are learning. I will teach you both frameworks, and programming language Java. Clear now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Any other doubts?
Ram, nowadays Cucumber is outdated, right? Maybe no one is using in the market. So can you teach us REST API?
Who is this?
This is Raghuram.
Who said that Cucumber is outdated? It came recently. It's not outdated.
No, it came recently, but the calls are very less on Cucumber actually.
I think you
Because
never worked
nobody.
on the Cucumber job opportunities applying the resumes. As per my experience, I'm seeing that of course the Selenium test engine is having the more calls, but now the Cucumber is coming into the picture. Why it is coming into the picture? In the Selenium, we need to write the script for generating the reports also. But in Cypress Cucumber, it's not like that, because that language is understandable by uh, the scripts which is written in the Cucumber. Everyone can understand. Maybe business analyst, project manager, the person who is don't have technical knowledge can also understand the thing which we have written in the Cucumber. That is the major advantage of the Cucumber. Most of in my company is also all my projects are using with the Cucumber, and in my past company also using the Cucumber with Selenium. Most of the companies are using the Selenium. How can you justify that the Cucumber is outdated? It was updated, not outdated. Please correct your sentence, okay? If you have any doubt, you can search in the net also. You will get the importance of Cucumber.
No, I am not saying outdated actually. It's sorry to say like that. But the calls are very less, on
Yes,
Cucumber actually. So if
it
you,
was
in
correct.
place of Cucumber, REST API, if you could teach, that could be better.
Which one?
API testing.
API testing is completely different. It is coming to the back end testing. We are talking about the front end testing. Okay. In this course, you will get only front end testing. If you
Okay.
want to join anywhere, you should focus on only one thing. Whether you are in front end or back end, first you have to justify yourself. Then you can join the course. If you want to be in the front end, you can join in the course. If you want to be in the backend, you can learn only API testing. Not useful if you learn both things, like if one leg in your one ship, another leg in one ship. It should be like that situation. Okay. If you want to learn backend, completely go with backend. Don't involve in the front end. If you want to be in front end, completely be in front end. Don't involve in the backend. Clear what I'm telling, Raghu?
Okay, got it.
Anyone have doubt? Please clarify your doubts. It is very good session, but everyone is having a different doubts. Good. No one has doubts. You should have doubts. But no one is speaking. What about Madhu, Rupesh, Surya, Ramesh, Uday? You guys can't ask any question.
Yeah, I
You
have
are clear then.
access.
Okay, you are clear, right?
Yeah, I'm clear about this test NG.
Okay, we'll see a small session about the models. So anyway, it's a good interactive session. For 2 minutes, I'm getting a small call. Okay, guys, are you guys clear? Have any doubt? If you don't have, okay, one more. Bhargavi Ganesh. Okay, anyway, he is not there, right? So just ignore that question. Anyway, she is talking about the RPA testing. So it is completely different. Okay, let's go to a small session about the software development life cycle. And what is meant by software development life cycle? Can anyone tell who attended yesterday class? I already explained the what is meant by software development life cycle. What is meant by software development life cycle?
Uh, are you asking the phases of software development life cycle, sir?
Yes, yes. I won't ask the what are the phases in available. Actually, whenever you are attended for the interview, they may ask that what is the phases available in the software development life cycle, or else what is meant by software development life cycle, why we are using. You may get the different types of questions based on the
Okay,
interviewer
okay.
mode, right? You should answer.
Yeah,
What is meant by software development life cycle? You can include that phases also while defining the definition.
yeah. Software development life cycle is testing the quality of the application.
Okay.
Yeah. for a developed software to identify the correctness and completeness of the quality of the software.
That is called testing definition. I'm asking about what is meant by software development lifecycle. Okay. In name itself, we are having what is meant by life cycle. Life cycle is nothing but starting point to ending point, right? So life cycle is nothing but the life starting point to life ending point. Like that, here for which life we are talking? We are talking about the software life, software development life, right? So name itself, we are having the definition. It's a procedure. It's a life cycle is a procedure to develop the software. Okay, just think of the definition or remember this definition like this: SDLC. If you are coming from end is nothing but life cycle. Life cycle is a procedure to develop the software. SD is nothing but to develop the software. Whenever the person asks the pages available in the SDLC, simply you can tell the most of the 100 out of 100%, 99% you will get the question, what are the pages available in the SDLC only. If 1%, the based on the interviewer mood, if you got the question like that, what is meant by SDLC, first we have to tell 2 points and then you can include the pages. First, what you need to tell? First, what you need to tell? It is a procedure to develop the software. It is a process of creating systems of software. Okay, no need to tell all these points. First, you have to what you need to tell. Life cycle is a procedure to develop the software. It consists of following phases. They are requirement analysis, feasibility study, under design, coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance. These are the phases available in the software development lifecycle. Can anyone tell now what is meant by software development lifecycle? No one. Yes, no, I told.
Is the procedure to develop the software.
Okay.
There are many stages in software development lifecycle.
Okay.
Requirement analysis,
Okay.
system design,
Okay.
implementation, testing,
Okay.
deployment.
Okay. Maintenance. Okay.
Maintenance.
These are the phases available in the software development lifecycle. Majorly, we are having sequential model and iterative models. Okay, most of you guys learn about the what is agile model, what is spiral model, what is V model, what is waterfall model, what is the prototype model. We are having the lot of things, but you may only listen the agile model, right? You may listen the only agile. So today we are going to discuss about the agile model. Okay, because why you are listening the agile model most frequently? Because that is the model mostly 99% using the in current industry, current market. Okay, for example, lot of movies are there in the market, but you are the people only talking about a movie which is hit, right? Like that, we are having lot of models, but now we are going to talk about only the successful movie, the movie which is success. Okay, that movie is we are going to talk about. That is agile model. Of course, the remaining models also we can discuss in the coming classes. The classes will start from Monday, right? From Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. These are the 5 days. Most of our manual course will be completed within these 5 days. And next week, first 2 days, we can discuss about the real-time project of the manual testing. Then our manual part will be completed. Then we can start the automation testing. Okay. So don't worry about that. Even if I tell you agile model now, I will explain you again on the manual testing course also. I'm just explaining you for giving the demo to listen how I'm explaining, whether you are getting or not when I'm explaining. You have an idea, right? If you are getting the point, then so that's why I'm giving a small lecture on the right, small installation things. Okay, this is the notes, very good notes. You will get it by the end of the course. And these things very helpful if you are having interview tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Simply you can refer the document, grab the content which is available here. Okay. And today what we are going to see, the SL model. I will give in brief in the surface. We'll discuss in depth in the class. Okay. Actually, these are the following phases available in the Agile model. What are the phases available? Total 6 phases available. The first one is a common as the software development lifecycle. The first one is requirement gathering, and second one is design the requirements, and third one is construction or iteration or implementation or coding, and next one is testing or quality assurance, and next one is deployment, and next one is feedback. These are the 6 phases available in the Agile model. Don't worry that SDLC we are having maintenance, but here having the feedback. Don't worry that there is implementation in the SDLC pages, but here it's showing the construction or iteration. Everything will be same. Construction or implementation or coding, everything will be same. Maintenance or feedback, everything will be same. By feedback only we can do maintenance. Like so, the if you forgot to remember these pages, you can tell those SDLC pages: requirement analysis, design, coding, testing, deployment, maintenance. You can tell those pages for the Agile model also. Okay. And in Agile model, we are having the methods, different methods. The current market, all the people are using the Agile methodology only. But in Agile, we are having different methods. The different companies may use different methods based on the project. Okay, those methods are Scrum, Crystal, dynamic software development method, feature driven development, lean software development, and extreme programming. These are the things. Okay, and these are the iterations. Okay, for example, what you can say is we are having the WhatsApp application. Now we are having the WhatsApp application. Before that application coming up into the picture, that people will give to the some software company, and the software company will construct that application as per the requirements given to the customer. Of course, that application is developed by the founders only, but I'm taking an example and I'm telling you. Clear what I'm telling? I'm taking an example and I'm telling you. So let us take an WhatsApp or Facebook or else some whatever application we are going to take, you can take it. So after taking that, the founders will reach the software company with their requirements. I need application like this, so on so requirements, they will meet it. Okay, but the company will not give that application within 2 days or 3 days, right? They will give estimation this project will complete in the 3 months or 4 months or else 9 months or else 1 year, right? So the customer can't wait 1 year, right? That's why what the Agile model is doing. For example, within the 1 week, you completed only 1% of task, 1% of the requirement given by the customer. You can deploy that 1% of work to the customer environment. Okay, are you getting my point? For example, WhatsApp application is there. In first iteration, we are going to develop 30%. Second iteration, we are going to develop 30%. Third iteration, we are going to develop 40%. Total 100%, right? So the company will not, the customer will not wait until 100% completed. So what the Agile model is doing? If you completed 30%, you can deploy that into the customer environment. After, if you are deploying another 30%, you can deploy into the customer. After deploying these 2 modules, 2 iterations, there is a change in the requirement in the third one. They can simply change, right? They can simply change this iteration as per the markets. For example, as that software company said that it takes 3 months of time. Within that 3 months, there will be a lot of changes in the requirements. Is it? There will be a lot of changes in the requirements. Clear what I'm telling? Are you guys clear? If there is any as per the markets, the changes will be changes. The requirements will be changes. For example, uh, uh, before 1 year, the kg chicken will be 120. Now it will be 190. As per the market, the chicken rate will be changed from past year to this year, right? Like that, before developing the application, as the past market, if the prices or the requirements are changed, it will be very easy to change because it was deploying module wise. not entire application wise, right? That is the importance of agile model. Or else in waterfall model, if you want to change any requirement as per the market, then you have to collapse entire the project what you done previously, and you have to do that from scratch again. That is the difference between waterfall model and agile model. You can see how the waterfall looks like. The water falls downward steadily, right? Like waterfall falls downward. I will show diagram also. Here we can have diagram. Yes, this is the diagram. One, it should be waterfall should be steadily fall downwards, right? Once this requirement once is done, if you came to the system design, you can't revert back again. That is the disadvantage of waterfall model. If you are deployed and if you want to revert back to testing phase, we can't done. So you have to collapse entire this one and you have to do from scratch again to come to the testing part. That is the major disadvantage of waterfall model. Are you guys clear now? What is the waterfall model and what is the agile? We are having lot of theoretical part will be there in the manual testing. We'll explain clearly what is this modules and what is the integration testing, what is the unit testing, what is the spiral. And agile just have shown that in agile method we are having the 5 types of methods, right? Scrum, Crystal, DSDM, and feature driven, lean software, extreme program, and all these things will be explained in the classes. Okay, I will explain the who is Scrum Master, who is Product Owner, what is the Scrum team, what is Scrum, what is Crystal, and what are the methods available in the Crystal. Okay, no need to read all these things at the time of interview. What are the things you need to learn? The interviewer will ask you that which type of method you used in the in agile model in your previous company. You should learn any one of them. The mostly prefer you to learn this part Scrum. You can answer that we used the Scrum method in the agile model in my past project. Then you are giving opportunity to the interviewer. If that interviewer asks you any question on the Scrum method, you should answer, right? So at that time they will ask what is Scrum Master, who is Scrum Master, and is there any Scrum meetings is available. Actually, if you are using the Scrum method, there is one stand-up call every day. Of course, if you guys are from non-IT background, then you may aware non-IT background jobs you are doing, non-IT companies, you may have that there is a stand-up call every day. Watch what you are going to do today, what you have done yesterday. These things will be discussed in that call, right? After completion of that call, it may be afternoon or evening, there will be a Scrum call also. Scrum call is nothing but the Scrum who can manage the developer, tester, product owner, and everything. Clear what I'm telling? For example, you don't know driving, but you need license. Who is required for you to get the license? Third party member, right? RTO, you reach to some RTO services offices, and you can contact that person who is having the mediator, and you give some 5,800 or 900, and you will get it some four-wheelers license, right? Like that, you are not able to reach the higher officials directly. So you need someone to communicate with all the people who is involved in the project, like product owner, developer, architect, tester, and all these things. Business analyst. We will discuss in the classes who is business analyst, who is product owner, what is the role of architect, what is the role of tester, what is the role of developer. Everything will be expressed in the coming classes. Don't worry about this. Okay, this is about the Scrum. Okay, actually for the agile model we are using the Jira tool. Jira tool is nothing but it will shows your work, what you need to do today, what you need to do tomorrow. Entire your tasks will be in the form of tickets only. Tickets. Clear what I'm telling? Have any doubt on this Scrum method in the agile model? I hope you guys are very clear what I'm telling.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can reach out me. And but one thing I'm going to tell, actually here the people came from the VLR training and Harsha institutes. Two institute peoples are there here. So what you need to do is, if you like the class, if you want to continue the classes, and if you want to join the course, once reach out your institute peoples. Okay, they will give an idea about the links. Actually, the link will be changed from Monday. They will give you the link on which link you people need to join. Clear? Just reach out. A few people came from VLR training, few people came from Harsha training. Okay, you can reach out your institutes. Are you getting my point? And if you like to continue the course, you can confirm your slot and they will help out you to confirm your slot and you can continue the classes from the Monday. But one thing I will tell you, what are the benefits from these courses. You will get the materials for the manual and automation, and you will get the interview which is mostly asked from the manual and automation, and you will get the 1 or 2 resume sample resumes to prepare your resumes. And at the end of the course, you will get it some tips and tricks how to apply for the jobs in the LinkedIn and Naukri. And at last, final but not least is you will get the recordings every day. Clear? And one additional advantage is
For lifetime access or some
recording sessions, right? You are asking about recording sessions, right?
recording sessions are for lifetime access or some time period only?
Actually, if the class is completed now, right, the link will be generated after the 2 hours. Now, what is the time? 7:30, right? So if I
Yeah.
close the class now, the link will be generated after 9:30. Okay, whenever the link is generated, we are automatically share that link to you. So that link will be the lifetime of that link will be 48 hours. 48
Okay.
or 24 hours. We will share that link. You have to download that video and keep it in your local machine.
Okay.
It will be lifetime.
Okay, sir. Thank
Clear
you.
what I'm telling?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, there is a lifetime. There is a expiry date for that link. You should download based on your availability, and you can save it in your local machine. By mistake, if you forgot on any time, then you can ping on that WhatsApp group. The people who already downloaded will help you to share that. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about others? But the materials will be lifetime. I will share that PDFs in that WhatsApp group, which is created by your institute people. But why we are creating that WhatsApp group is to clear your doubts. For example, you have one, for example, in that group, 6 or 7 people are there. But the one people have doubt how to install the Eclipse. They are not able to install the Eclipse. So if you share your error in that WhatsApp group, I will help out you. If I am not available, the student who already installed may give guidance to you to how to resolve, right? That's what the use of WhatsApp and sharing the links. By 10 days or 12 days, the GoToMeeting links will be expired or changed. So easily communicating purpose, we are going to creating the WhatsApp groups. So don't misuse the WhatsApp groups. Clear what I'm telling? Karthik, Madhu, Raghu, Rupesh, Shaujanya, Surya, Uday, Ramesh,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Bharat,
Yes.
Ganesh.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Any doubts you can ask me. We are having 5 more minutes. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, or else I will close the session. All you guys are having your respective institutes numbers, right? Phone numbers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. John, Postman comes under Cucumber.
One thing I just know or tell Raghu, actually we are having 2 types, front end and back end. In back end, we are going to test the API testing. Okay. In that API testing may written in the STNG or else Cucumber. Cucumber also used to write in the API testing.
Okay.
The one thing you have to clarify yourself is where you are. You want to apply for the front end of opportunities or back end opportunities. First, you have to
No,
choose
I
one
don't
thing.
have any idea, Ram, actually. So this is the first time, right? I'm learning about this manual and automation testing.
Okay.
So
Here, my suggestion
yeah,
is it's better to go with the manual plus automation front end only.
Okay.
Because why I'm telling the manual plus automation, mostly in the backend testing, they will take the experienced candidates. They won't take the fresher.
Okay.
Of course, you may have experience in the other field, but you don't have experience in the testing field, right? That's what
Okay.
I'm. So the backend testing is very crucial. If there is any issue, if there is any miss, if there is any negligence in the any call, entire application will be collapsed. If there is any payment related stuff, you will be the person who answer to the higher officials. The responsibility is more.
Okay.
If you are ready to take that risk, if you are ready to face that issue, then you can go with backend also. But if you want to go with life work-life balance, then you can go with front. Of course, the both are
Okay.
difficult, but the both are easy.
Okay.
Clear what I'm telling, Raghu? Your doubt is
Yeah.
uh, API testing is written in the Cucumber or not, right?
No, Postman will comes under Cucumber or like any other tool that is a different tool.
It's a completely different tool. Like you are seeing this my Microsoft Office now, right? Which I'm sharing material. Like that, we are having the Postman tool.
Okay.
In that tool, API test Postman is a tool. For that Postman, again, you are going to do manual testing, automation testing.
Okay.
In manual testing, we are having the different set of codes. For example, whenever you are accessing some application, you will get 404 error, 505 error, 203 error, 302 error. Like that, we are having some errors, right? Have you seen those?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. I saw.
So you can execute that API calls by getting that status codes. We are having different status codes. 200 is nothing but successful message. It's executed successfully. 300 is nothing but migration. For example, if you want to migrate from cloud AWS to Azure, then it's one of the type of migration. It will shows the redirection message 300 status code. If there is any client error is nothing but you have a software company. For example, you have a Zomato company. You buy one domain and you are hosting that into the AWS cloud. So due to some internal code issues in your application, it's not working fine. Then it will show 404. It is a client issue. Okay. 505 is nothing but server error. You bought one cloud server, right? That is the issue with cloud server. Your application is fine. That server is not working fine. Then it shows 505 error. Clear what I'm telling now?
Yeah. Got it. And
API
what
testing.
about this one, then? BDD and SOAP UI, all this also different?
BDD Cucumber both are same. BDD is nothing but behavioral data driven. It's nothing but the language which you can understand easily. The anyone understand
Okay.
who don't have the technical knowledge also. That is the
Both
BDD
are same.
Cucumber.
Okay. SOAP UI is different, right? Again.
SOAP API is entirely different. REST API is entirely different. All these stuff comes under the API testing.
Okay.
Just
Yeah.
focus
Got it.
yourself where you want to go. If you want to go for API testing, you can learn only API testing. Don't involve this front end. If you want to learn only front end, don't involve that API setting. Keep it aside. My
Yeah.
suggestion is to go with front end only, not for I'm telling that I'm taking the course. If you join, you will get it some benefit. Not like that. I'm telling. If you want to learn, you can learn another wherever you want to learn, you can learn. But my suggestion is to go with the front end manual testing and automation testing only, because
Got it. Okay.
most of the people are learning the automation or manual testing course because those people may have some gap between their education and the job. And second thing, there will be some change from migration from the non-technical jobs to technical jobs, right? These are the major reasons the people who learning the testing course. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So
Same I
at
am
that
doing
time,
actually.
yes, at that time you should go with the proper thing, which is flexible to move on first. Once you are
Yes.
move on to the flexible one, then you can try the those things, API testing and all these things. But you should move on to the targeted one, right? The testing field.
Yeah.
First, for example, you are having the testing field is a target in your mind first. You should be into that market first. Once you are in, you can try many things. We are in testing also. We are having many things. Okay, clear?
Yeah. Clear. Yeah.
I hope all clear.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I hope the VLO training and the Harsha training, the Swapna ma'am is already pinged the message about the WhatsApp number. The people who came from Harsha Institute, you can reach that number to give your feedback whether you are joining or not. Okay. And the people who came from VLO training, they can reach out the phone number. They already have given the WhatsApp number. We can contact them. Okay. Who is Saujanya?
Sir,
Okay, you are sharing your number is, don't share your numbers. Okay, you can contact the numbers which are already shared by your institute. Don't share your numbers in the chat. Why I'm telling, for the confidential purpose.
okay, sir.
Okay, don't make your numbers public. You can reach out your respective institutes. They already shared their numbers. You can reach out them. That's it, if you are interested. But I'm the person who's seeing the security for the students also. Okay, clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Which you want to ask anything?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, I hope everyone is clear. I think guys are good to join from the Monday. Please join in the class. We'll enjoy the sessions, and I will explain everything is clear with the real-time examples only. Okay, I think you may see the two classes. In these two classes, I'm taking some real-time scenarios like movies and all these things stuff on some RTO applications. I'm comparing that, and I will explain it. So the sessions are very. You will enjoy the sessions, and if you are interested, you can join. So have a good day, and thank you for joining. Will I hope all you guys will join on the Monday.